The 50-30-20 rule is a simple and effective budgeting method. This method helps manage finances by dividing income into three categories. The 50-30-20 rule provides a clear framework for allocating income. A core principle of personal finance is allocating 50% of income to needs. Needs encompass essential expenses required for survival and daily living. Housing, food, transportation, and utilities are primary examples of needs. Prioritizing needs ensures financial stability and covers fundamental requirements. 30% of income is typically allocated to wants, which are non-essential expenses. Wants are defined as expenses that enhance lifestyle but are not critical for survival. Examples of wants include dining out, entertainment, and hobbies. Allocating income to wants provides enjoyment and enhances overall well-being. 20% of income should be allocated to savings and debt repayment. Savings include building an emergency fund and investing for the future. Debt repayment involves paying off credit cards and loans. Effective savings and debt repayment contribute to long-term financial stability. The 50-30-20 rule is visually represented using a pie chart to illustrate income allocation. 50% of income is allocated to needs, covering essential expenses. 30% of income is allocated to wants, representing non-essential spending. 20% of income is allocated to savings, debt repayment, ensuring financial stability. A monthly income can be strategically allocated across different categories. 50% of income is allocated to needs, covering essential expenses. 30% of income is allocated to wants, covering non-essential desires. 20% of income is allocated to savings and debt repayment, ensuring financial stability. The 50-30-20 rule can help individuals gain control of their finances. Adhering to the 50-30-20 budget can effectively reduce debt accumulation. Following the 50-30-20 rule facilitates building savings for future financial security. The 50-30-20 rule provides a structured approach to achieve financial goals efficiently. The 50-30-20 rule provides a simple framework for effective budgeting and financial stability. Allocate 50% of your income to needs, covering essential expenses like housing, food, and transportation. Dedicate 30% of your income to wants, allowing for discretionary spending on entertainment, dining out, and hobbies. Use the remaining 20% of your income for savings and debt repayment, building a secure financial future. Consistent application of the 50-30-20 rule facilitates informed financial decisions and long-term financial health.